Hello friends, this is Savita Shinde. Welcome all to my YouTube channel sharing knowledge of agriculture. Today we are going to discuss on topic concentrated organic manures. Let's start our today's topic. Basically there are two types of concentrated organic manures. First one is plant originated and second one is animal originated. Under plant originated organic manures that are oilseed cakes like edible oil cakes and non-edible oil cakes. Under animal originated concentrated organic manures, blood meal, meat meal, fish manure or fish meal, bone meal, which is having further types raw bone meal and steamed bone meal, and last type is horn and hoof meal. Friends, here you can see the different oil cakes that are edible and non-edible oil cakes with their percent composition of nitrogen P2O5 and K2O. So what is meant by oil cakes? After oil is extracted from oil seeds, the remaining solid portion is dried as cake, which can be used as manure. The oil cakes are of two types, that are edible and non-edible oil cakes. So here coconut cake, groundnut cake, linseed cake, rapeseed cake, sesame cake. These are examples of edible oil cakes with their percent composition. Then some examples of non-edible oil cakes are here. So like castor cake, cottonseed cake, karanj cake, mahua cake, neem cake and safflower cake. These are non-edible oil cakes with their percent composition of nitrogen P2O5 and K2O. Here some images of oil cakes are given which will be helpful to identify the particular oil cake. So here coconut cake, groundnut cake, linseed cake, rapeseed cake, sesame cake, castor cake, cottonseed cake, karanj cake, mahua cake and neem cake. So these are all images of oil cakes. So friends, in previous slides we have discussed about plant originated concentrated organic manures that are edible and non-edible oil cakes. Now here we are moving towards animal originated concentrated organic manures like bone meal, fish meal, blood meal and meat meal. So what is meant by bone meal? So bone meal is a mixture of finely and coarsely ground animal bones and slaughterhouse waste products. It is used as an organic fertilizer for plants and as a nutritional supplement for animals also. Fish meal is a high protein animal feed supplement made by cooking, pressing, drying, and grinding fish or shellfish. Next is blood meal. Blood meal is the dried blood of animals used as a fertilizer, diet supplement for livestock, or deer repellent. Next is meat meal, then which is obtained by cooking, defatting, sterilizing, grinding, and sifting byproducts of terrestrial animals. So in this table, you can see the composition of animal originated concentrated organic manures. In case of bone meal, which is having about 3.5 to 4.5% of nitrogen, 18 to 25% of P2O5, lime is about 28 to 32%, and CN ratio is about 3.5 to 6. Likewise, you can see the composition of fish meal, blood meal and meat meal here in this table. This is all about concentrated organic manures that are plant originated and animal originated. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.